In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fibonacci Zone in TradingView Pro. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own chart. Go ahead and open up TradingView Pro and load any chart you want to work with. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or anything else you normally trade. Once your chart is open and you're comfortable with the layout, we're ready to start. First, look toward the top of your TradingView interface. You should see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and community scripts live. Click on the Indicators button and a new window or panel will pop up over your chart. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see different sections like Favorites, Built-ins, and Community Scripts. At the very top of that panel, there's a search box. This is the quickest way to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through a long list of tools. Go ahead and click inside that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now in the search box, type Fibonacci Zone. Make sure you spell it correctly so TradingView can find the right indicator. As you start typing, TradingView will instantly filter the results below. You should see one or more indicators related to Fibonacci zones appear in the list. Take a moment to look at the names and the descriptions to make sure you're choosing the one you want to use. Once you've found the Fibonacci zone indicator that matches what you're looking for, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will automatically apply it to your chart. You'll see the Fibonacci zones appear directly on the price chart, usually as colored bands or highlighted regions around key retracement levels. From here, you can customize it further if you want. Most indicators in TradingView let you open a settings menu by hovering over the indicator name in the upper left of the chart and clicking the settings icon. In that menu, you can usually adjust colors, line styles, visibility on different time frames, and sometimes even the exact Fibonacci levels used. Don't be afraid to experiment a little until the Fibonacci zones are easy for you to see and interpret. If you're not already on a pro plan, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link can give you access to the full TradingView Pro experience, including more indicators on your chart and additional tools that make working with things like Fibonacci zones much smoother.